we are doing yet another house hunting episode. We are in Kinyua. The house that I reviewed today is a 3-bedroom house, all en suite, and it's amazing. I love the exteriors of the house and the interiors, and I know you guys will be wowed. Come with me. So this is the entrance of the house, and the first room on the left is the bathroom. Quite beautiful. And on the right is the sitting area or the living room area, which is quite spacious because, as you can see, it has fitted like a 5-seater, and the room is still airy and still spacious. One of my favorite parts about this house is the balcony, which has sliding doors. This house is so modern. Sliding doors, all glass and beautiful. And this is the size of it. It is quite huge, as you can see. This is something that you can decorate, somewhere you can relax. Another part of this house, which is big and beautiful, the dining space. We have a separate dining space. This is it. This one has fitted like 5 or 6 seats and chairs, so as you can see, it's huge. And we still have more space on this side. And then here is the kitchen. So beautiful and large, modern finishes. Construction here where you can put your oven, your fridge. So beautiful. We have the storage spaces over here, and the more storage space over here. Right outside the kitchen, we have the laundry area, which is quite spacious. This is it. And then we have the SQ here, which is a standard room. And also has its own bathroom. So there we go to the pantry, and this is the pantry, quite spacious again. And then let's head to the bedrooms. This is the first bedroom on this side. Actually, it's the smallest bedroom. And it's of a standard size, as you can see. And it comes with its own closets, which are quite spacious by the way. Bathroom of a standard size. Beautiful, well done. Quite bigger than the one that is just seen. Again, it comes with its own closet, bigger than the one in the other bedroom. And it has this large window that runs from one wall to the other, so the room is well lit. Very well lit. And again, it comes with its own bathroom and the shower. First, I love the space. It's so spacious. Another thing that I love about this master ensuite is the fact that it has big wardrobes. Actually, it has like the his and hers closet. So spacious, well done. And it has a balcony over here. It is of a standard size, not as big, but I think it's enough. You actually want to light during the day because all this is glass. And then we have the toilet and the bathroom over here. Big sink, enough storage room. You have the bathroom here, and then you have the bathroom here. And then you have the bathtub. How cool is that? You have places where you can hang your towels. Places you can place your toothbrushes. There is enough storage in this bathroom. And finally you have the toilet over here. It's a 3-bedroom house, all en suite. It's located in Kilimani and the house is for sale, going for 20 million shillings. I will leave all the contact information in the description box below. Thank you for watching.